Hello. You will need lentils, 2 carrots, beef, 2 potatoes, a tomato, onion, water and soup powder. I prefer to use brown onion and rich oxtail powder soup. Pour water into the bowl and let the lentils soak for 30 minutes. Scoop up handfuls of the lentils and scrub them by rubbing them together. Drain off the water and refill with clean water. Repeat this process until the water runs clear from the bowl. Put the lentils in a large pot. Grate 1½ carrots. Grate 1 potato. Cut up the onion. Cut up the tomato. Now let's put all the fresh ingredients into the pot. Keep the remainder of the carrot and the potato, we will use them later. Now add 2 liters of water. Cover the pot with a lid and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 1 hour. Now let's remove the meat from the pot and cut it up into smaller pieces. Put the small pieces back into the pot. Cut the potato and carrot into cubes, and add it to the pot. Cover the pot and let it simmer 30 minutes, or until the carrots are soft. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find that the water evaporates too quickly, add some more. Mix your dry soup powder in 250 milliliters water, then add it to your soup. Heat as per the instructions on the soup packet. My packet said simmer for 5 minutes. Your soup is ready to enjoy. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe if it did. Happy cooking!